Want to print high-quality designs on fabric with amazing color and durability? This is DTF printing, one of the fastest-growing technologies in textile printing today. Let's break down the complete process step by step. Design preparation. The process starts with design preparation. The artwork is created or imported into RIP software. Here, colors are separated into CMYK and white ink layers to ensure proper printing on dark or light fabrics. Printing on film. The design is printed onto a special PET film using pigment-based textile inks. First, color layers are printed, followed by a white ink layer that acts as a base. Powder application. While the ink is still wet, a hot melt adhesive powder is applied evenly over the printed design. This powder ensures strong bonding between the design and the fabric. Curing process. The powdered film is then cured using heat. The adhesive powder melts and forms a sticky layer, preparing it for transfer. Heat transfer. The cured film is placed onto the fabric and pressed using a heat press machine. Heat and pressure transfer the design permanently onto the garment. Peeling. After pressing, the film is peeled off. Depending on the type, this can be a hot peel or cold peel process. Final result. The result is a vibrant, durable print with excellent flexibility and wash resistance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.